All right, just something quick. I received my set of Continental engine eyebrows in the mail yesterday, and I have to say they are incredible. A nice, see that rolled edge up front. Great attention to detail. Just beautifully crafted from Wayne at ironagecompany.com. And they were backlogged quite a bit. I contacted them back in July of 2024, and he finally reached out again to me about 2 weeks ago, and he said, we're caught up, and if you want your set, just let us know. And so I emailed him back, and that was January 7th, and I received it just yesterday, which is, I believe, the 17th. So I'm excited. I'm going to be out at the airstrip this week. I'm going to fit them to the aircraft. Came with the little mounting brackets that these go on the engine case. So really happy with these. Like I said, it took a while, but man, they are really, really nice. So anyone looking for a set of Continental engine eyebrows, get a hold of Wayne at ironagecompany.com. All right, over and out.